Hey there everyone. Let's continue with the next step in your list building journey. Now that you know what a lead magnet is, it means that you are ready to move on to the creation of your very first lead capture page. So let's talk about what are lead capture pages first. What is a lead capture page? A lead capture page is a type of landing page specifically designed to capture leads. Simply put, it is a type of landing page with a lead capture form, which is in itself optimized to capture leads according to your offers. In other words, lead capture pages are designed after your lead magnets. A successful lead capture page is one that has the ideal balance between what it asks the lead for and what it offers in exchange for it. Because you are building an email list, your lead capture form should only ask leads to provide very basic contact info. And the best performing lead capture forms only ask for a first name and an email address. As you can see, your job is quite simple. To offer an awesome lead magnet, to have a neatly designed lead capture page, and to capture leads using a simple lead capture form. Setting up a lead capture page. Awesome, so with that out of the way, let's describe how to actually set up a cool and clean lead capture page with all its bells and whistles from the get-go. There are two ways to design a lead capture page. By setting it up through your content management system of choice, which involves lots of coding and know-how. By using an integrated, self-hosted email marketing platform with drag and drop functionalities. There are lots of great options to choose from once you decide to start shopping around for a lead capture page creation tool. There you have the headline, the call to action, and the description. Let's start with the headline. This is one of the most important elements on your lead capture page, and one trick to make it effective is by making it into a question, or an intriguing phrase. Basically, anything that triggers a curious response in your leads will work fine here. Because we are going to promote, let's say, a diabetes care-oriented ebook as our lead magnet. We are going to phrase our headline as the question. How much do you know about your own diabetes? And our call to action is sign up to learn about the 10 things you might not know about your own diabetes. Then we edit the description to describe a benefit of signing up to our mailing list beyond the free ebook, such as getting important updates from then on. You can do all the work on any platform and get the same results as long as you apply the lead capture page design principles we teach you in this video. So tune in to our following video so we can tell you how to set up automation on your email lead capturing campaigns.